Hi, I'm Yossi, and this is the Ursula stud, and it's from Old Gringo. Gear up and get down with these fabulous boots. They have this wonderful vintage appeal to them with this distressed leather upper. It's got these beautiful studded accents all throughout the boot that gives it this very luxurious look. It also comes with a soft leather lining and a lightly cushioned footbed that's going to provide you with plenty of comfort. Has this beautifully sculpted heel that's going to give you a nice boost in height. But the best thing about these boots is that it features a side zip closure on the other side. That's going to give you easy access to the interior so you can easily slip these on and take these off. Has a long-lasting leather outsole with a rubber heel cup. That's fantastic because these are nice and durable, easy to maintain, and very stylish. Look and feel absolutely amazing with these fabulous boots from Old Gringo.